y'all, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, welcome to my channel, and if you are already my subscriber, welcome back. This is the 360 wig, and today I'm going to be doing a very natural side part wig. What I'm using right now is the Tailored Crowns lace tint. The color that I use is a medium brown color. I get this question a lot: how do you know when the lace tint is done tinting? It's pretty self-explanatory. Once the lace is already dried, that's how you'll know when it's done tinting. And since I'm doing a side part, I'm going to go ahead and part the side out. And what I'm going to do is wet it a lot. Once I have it completely wet, I'm going to start to pluck. Make sure it's neat, make sure it's exactly how you want it. Once you have it exactly how you want it, you're just going to start to pluck. Pluck the lace, but not in the same space. Plucking the space in the same spot is going to create a bald spot. You don't want bald spots, but you do want your lace to look as natural as possible. To look like at this moment. Once you have it like this, you're going to take that same amount of hair that I took out and you're going to cut it down with the razor comb. Those are going to be your baby hairs, but you'll see what I'm doing. I want a very super natural side part. I don't want your traditional side part wig with a super perfect part. I want it to look very natural. You're going to get a fine-tooth comb and use the same motions that I'm using. If you run out of mousse, or if you feel like the hair isn't flowing in the direction that you want it to flow in, you can just add more of the mousse. But I'm not touching it. You want to try not to touch it as much as possible. You just want it to flow with the hairstyle. When you touch the baby hairs with the hairstyle, it's like you're kind of forcing it. You want to just flow in the motion that it's already going in. Once you have the baby hairs set to how you want them to be, you're going to just go ahead and wrap them down. Once you have them wrapped down, you're going to sit it under the dryer. Once it's completely dried, of course, you're just going to take it off, and this is how it should look at this point. See the cap underneath the wig, so I'm just going to take some makeup that's closest to my skin complexion, and then I'm just going to put the makeup on the front of the wig cap. Now you're just going to go ahead and start to cut the lace off of the wig. This wig comes with the elastic straps already attached, and what I did in this clip was just attach the straps with each other, intertwine them with each other. And what I'm doing now is just putting the comb that the wig comes with, I'm sticking it underneath my braids. It's very easy to do. And I'm just pulling the cap a little bit forward because you don't want it to look like there's a cap underneath. You want it to blend as much as possible. Now you're just going to go ahead and cut the lace off of the front of the wig. And after you do that, you can go ahead and take some BioSilk and start to rub it on your hair. Then you're going to get a fine-tooth comb and you're going to comb out the mousse. The mousse is going to be a little bit hard. It's not going to be like super hard like spritz, but it's going to be molded. That's the effect that you want. You want it to be molded down completely. You need it to be completely dry so you can get these results. Once you comb them out, the hairs will be still in the same place that you molded them in. Just taking a little makeup brush and using the RK by Kisses brand and using something that's about the same color of my scalp, and I'm just taking it and putting it on the part of my wig. This part is pretty much self-explanatory. What you're going to do is just start to flat iron and press out your hair. This hot comb, this flat iron comb, which is what I call it, can be purchased at Amazon, it can be purchased at Sally's, and it can also be purchased at your local beauty supply store. I've had mine for over 4 years now. It came as a gift with one of my flat irons, but these are very, very cheap and they're very, very useful and easy to use. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you paid attention. If not, please feel free to rewind this video and watch it as many times as you need to. This is a completely glueless install, but this is so natural. I'm letting you guys in on all of my secrets, all of my tips, and I hope you really are using them and using them to your advantage. This wig will not come off during the day. You can live your regular life and wear this wig as usual. Thank you guys once again. See you next time.